Hi students, today we will discuss the part 2 of life processes of class 10, that is nutrition. Today we will discuss about nutrition. So we had a brief description of nutrition. What is nutrition? The intake of nutrients through food for different biological activities of organism. Okay, nutrients intake करना और उनको utilize करना, that is nutrition. So what will be the process of intake of nutrients through food and its utilization for various biological activities. Okay, so this is the definition of nutrition, the process of intake of nutrients and its utilization for various biological activities. किसके अंदर होंगी activities? Will be in organism. We will say by organism. What is the organism? Any living things we are talking about. So ऐसे process है ये जिसमें कि nutrients का intake होता है organism के through and its utilization also. Utilization means उसको use करना, benefits के लिए उसको use करना for various biological activities. Okay. जो भी हम काम करते हैं उन सब के लिए we need nutrients, we need food, so this is that process. Now we will do the types of nutrition. The types of nutrition. How many types of nutrition are there? How many types of nutrition? There are basically, we have already discussed in brief, there are basically two types of nutrition. The first one is autotrophic. The first one is autotrophic nutrition and the second one is heterotrophic nutrition. The autotrophic nutrition and the heterotrophic nutrition. Now what is the difference between both of these? Autotrophic nutrition. Now auto means, नाम से ही बहुत पता चल रहा है, auto means self. Okay, and hetero means others. Trophic means nutrition. So the autotrophic nutrition is the nutrition in which the organism prepares or synthesizes its own food. Okay, its own food. Here. Synthesizes, or we can say prepares its own food and it does not depend on other organisms for its food or for its nutrition. ये अपना खाना, they prepare their food by their own and does not depend on other organisms for their nutrition or for their food. For example, the green plants, cyanobacteria, the algae. Now what is heterotrophic mode of nutrition? In this nutrition, I've written here the others. So what does this other signifies? It means that the organism, the heterotrophic mode of nutrition means the organism that depend on other organisms either directly or indirectly for its nutrition, for its food. So it takes its food, it takes its nutrition from other organisms, either directly or indirectly. Now, there are two types of heterotrophic nutrition. The types of heterotrophic nutrition are, first one is saprophytic mode of nutrition, and second one is parasitic mode of nutrition. First one is saprophytic, second is parasitic. So the saprophytic nutrition, this is related to the dead organisms. This is related to dead organisms. It means that the organisms, they take their nutrients, they absorb their nutrients from these dead organisms, from the dead, not only dead organisms, or you can say decaying material also. Decaying material. Okay, so it can be living or non-living both. Here it is living and here non-living material also. So saprophytic nutrition में क्या होता है, जो organism होता है वो dead organism से या फिर decaying material, for example the rotten wood, the rotten leaves. Okay, so decaying material से भी वो अपना nutrition लेता है, अपना nutrients लेता है. So and this the parasitic mode of nutrition, in this nutrition the organism take its nutrients from other living organism. And how does it take its nutrients from other living organism? By living on that organism. For example, there are two organisms. Okay, the organism number 1 and the organism number 2. So this one organism, this has the parasitic mode of nutrition. It has parasitic mode of nutrition. So now what it will do? It will take its nutrients. This is living. Okay, this is living. This will take its nutrients from this living organism. It will take its nutrients from this living organism by living on that. Okay, so this is living, and what is the difference between these two? Here the second organism is dead. Okay, and the first organism will take the nutrients from the second, but here it is living and here it is dead or decaying material, which is no more alive or which is no more good. So this is the parasitic mode of nutrition. Now saprophytic mode of nutrition, now let's do the saprophytic mode of nutrition. In saprophytic, one more term is there, that is saprozoic. Saprozoic. Okay. So saprozoic में क्या होता है? One is saprozoic and one is saprophytic. They have different meanings, so they have different terms. Saprozoic में क्या होता है? जो organism होता है वो non-living things से नॉन लिविंग और वी कैन से इनऑर्गेनिक थिंग से अपना क्या लेता है, न्यूट्रिशन लेता है, न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेता है. And here in saprophytic we have studied that dead or decaying material से वो अपने nutrients लेगा, but that will be obviously organic. Now what are these organic and inorganic? You must know organic and inorganic. The organic substances, these both are the kind of substances. Okay, these both are the kind of substances. Inorganic, they are found either in plants or animals. These are found in plants and animals, the substances which are found in them. And the inorganic, they are found in the surroundings, in the environment, freely. Okay, so saprophytic में क्या होता है कि ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल जो है वो ऑर्गेनिज्म लेगा, और सैप्रोजोइक में होता है वो इनऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल से अपने न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेगा. सो these both combiningly makes the saprotrophic. Okay, these both have different meanings. The saprotrophic, now this is different term. The saprophytic is dead and decaying, about dead and decaying, but the saprotrophic, it contains both the types of nutrition. एक saprozoic है mode of nutrition, एक saprophytic है. These both are different and they both collectively, अगर हम दोनों की बात करें तो this is saprotrophic. So saprotrophic is basically, it has two types of nutrition. So this was saprophytic, saprotrophic, and about saprozoic mode of nutrition. We have discussed about parasitic. Now we will study the nutrition in plants. What is the type of nutrition in plants? It has the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic means वो अपना खाना खुद बनाएगा. It will synthesize its food, its nutrition by its own. Okay, so in plants, why does this autotrophic mode of nutrition is there? Why? Because of the presence of chlorophyll. Okay, because of the presence of chlorophyll in plants में भी कहाँ पर होता है ये? In the green parts, we can say, in the green parts of the plant. Green parts of the plant, यहाँ पर क्या present होता है? Chlorophyll present होता है. So because of the presence of chlorophyll, it has the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Now what is the process? How does they prepare their own food? What is the synthesis process of plants? Autotrophic nutrition, we got to know. Now it will take place by photosynthesis. The photosynthesis, इस process से the plants will take their nutrients, will prepare their own food, will synthesize their own nutrition. So photosynthesis is the process of conversion of light energy to the chemical energy. Okay, this is the biochemical reaction. The biochemical, why bio? Because it is in living, plants are living. biochemical reaction in which the light energy is converted into chemical energy. So in this process, what are the requirements of the process? The inorganic material. What materials are required? Those are carbon dioxide and water. These two inorganic materials are required in the process. We will study in detail about it later. Thank you.